Welcome back to Car Fusion, the home of next-gen rides and cutting-edge tech. Today, we have a car that's taking the electric vehicle world by storm, the Skyworth Q. This isn't just a car, it's a game-changer in the EV market. The Skyworth Q is a bold, futuristic, and high-performance electric vehicle that offers affordability, power, and advanced technology all in one sleek package. If you're looking for an EV that doesn't compromise on luxury or performance, this one's for you. Let's start with the design. The Skyworth Q features a sleek, modern body with an aggressive front grille, full-width LED headlights, and a dynamic aerodynamic silhouette that screams sophistication. Whether you're cruising in the city or hitting the highway, this car will turn heads everywhere. Now let's talk performance. Underneath its stylish exterior, the Skyworth Q packs a powerful electric motor pushing out 400 horsepower. That means a thrilling 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just under 5 seconds. Lightning fast for a budget-friendly EV. And with instant torque, every push of the pedal feels like an adrenaline rush. But what's speed without range? The Skyworth Q comes equipped with an ultra-efficient battery pack offering an impressive 350-mile range on a single charge. That means long road trips with zero range anxiety. Plus, with fast charging technology, you can get 80% charge in just 30 minutes. That's a quick coffee break and you're back on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a high-tech cockpit built for the future. A massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, AI-powered voice assistant, and a fully digital instrument cluster put the power right at your fingertips. And for those who love premium sound, the Skyworth Q features a 12-speaker surround system that transforms your car into a rolling concert hall. Comfort? Top tier. The luxurious leather seats, panoramic sunroof, and customizable ambient lighting make every drive feel first class. Plus, with an intelligent climate control system, the Skyworth Q adjusts temperature automatically to keep you cool in summer and cozy in winter. Now, let's talk smart tech. The Skyworth Q isn't just electric, it's intelligent. Equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, this EV makes driving safer, easier, and more exciting than ever. And here's the best part, the price. While most high-tech EVs come with sky-high price tags, the Skyworth Q is expected to start at under $30,000. Yes, you heard that right. High performance, luxury, and futuristic tech at an unbeatable price. So is the Skyworth Q the ultimate budget-friendly electric car? We think it might be. It's got the power, the range, the tech, and the looks, all at a price that makes EV ownership more accessible than ever. What do you think? Would you choose the Skyworth Q over a Tesla Model 3 or a BYD Seal? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Fusion for more electrifying car reviews. Until next time, keep the batteries charged and the wheels turning.